Let's start the class. Okay, we will start that application sections and we will discuss about the application of derivative and different case studies. So now let's see what and all case studies are there and we have to discuss about the case studies of I think this is case studies of application of derivatives. Sorry, good evening, sorry. Today application part we are going to do it. Okay, so most of the questions we are going to do today, sorry, can you, what is your next exam, beta? What is the next exam you people are having? What is the next exam you people are having in school? I think maths exam is there. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. I'll be teaching some of the most important things. Okay. I need derivative questions to be discussed in class. Application of derivatives to be discussed in class. Question answers. Let's see. Okay. I'll give questions directly. Screen is stuck, I guess. Okay, fine. Everyone you post in the group that class started. We will start the classes now. Now, okay. To our content, first differential equations. All questions today we are going to do. So our major target today is differential equations. Let's start the class, please. Okay, fine. Loading not to be done. So now look here. We'll be starting from the full-fledged part, one by one revision. We are going to start. We will be solving all the questions. Now let's start the work, please. Okay, Daranish, good evening, beta. So the total internal, see total here, the order of equations. So final part, what we are going to do is we are going to start our work for final revision, and in that final revision part, we are going to start revision for all the sections: order, degree of differential equation, general and particular solution of differential equation. These certain sections are there in differential equations which you need to be doing it correctly. Okay, so differential equation part I am going to discuss today, and we will be solving questions related to it. Okay. Now the first part of the question, 5 mark question, directly we are going to start to solve the question. Get ready for it. So if somebody will be writing you the question, they will tell you that the function, show that the function, let's start the work please. So that the function y is equal to ax plus b by x is a solution of differential equation, is a solution of differential equation is a solution of differential equation x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to 0. So this you have to prove that this is exactly the solution. So this part is exactly, this is a solution of differential equation. That means what? When somebody will be asking you to check the solution is, you have to double differentiate this one. You have to differentiate this part and double differentiate and substitute here. If this part will be equal to 0, means it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. So for this, what we are going to do, we will solve it like this. First, we will take this equation in solution section. This is how we are solving. We are going to write it as y is equal to ax plus b by x. Understood? Now after that, what work we are going to do? We will differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x will become dy by dx is equal to, this part will become a and this part will become minus b by x square. This is one part coming. Now other part differentiation will become d2y by dx square. It will become, a will become 0 because b to the power minus 1. So here minus b, x to the power minus 2 differentiation with respect to x. So here it will become d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square is equal to minus b into minus 2 x to the power minus 3. Understood? So this section will become plus 2b x to the power minus 3. So here we got x square value and here we got dx by d value. So this part dy by dx and here d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square value we got. Okay. So once we are getting all the values, now only one work left is to substitute there. Okay, KVs are in pre-board examinations. So here this part is coming y is equal to minus, this part is coming as d2y by dx square is equal to, so we can write d2y by dx square is equal to 2bx to the power minus 3. This will become equation 2. So now we just have to substitute the values. Blessing school students, please kindly check this one out. So these two equation values we are going to substitute. So here LHS part we have to do. So it will become x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to 0. So x square d2y by dx square is, when you will be writing that section, it will come as, because a got vanished, here this part is a written, here b part is there. So we can write, this section will be coming as 2bx to the power minus 3 plus x, now dy by dx value is a minus b by x square. After that part, minus y. What is y? Y is your question. It is as ax plus b by x. So now here it will come as 2b to the power minus 1 plus x to the power minus 1 plus ax minus b by x. Here minus ax minus b by x. So this section and this section will get cancelled. Okay. So here it is coming as 2bx to the power minus 1 and here minus 2b by x. So if we will write it as 2b by x minus 2b by x and that equal to 0 and that is equal to RHS. So this is a way procedure of solving the question and this is a way to write the answers. I hope you might have understood this part. If people are not interested to study means you inform me. I will not align the class. But I will not waste my time because nobody has joined. Who and all are present online? Good evening, Shivaranjani. Who are not present in the class because it is making me very angry. I'm giving important questions and here students are absent in the class. This is not good. You people are not showing any interest to study. So last class relations case studies we have already finished. We discussed about relation case studies. Most of the questions of relations we have finished. Case study of relation. This type questions means if it will come in examination, means definitely it is going to be a horror story for all of you. This question already came in CBSE one time. Next time if they will repeat telecast, means your story will become over. The people are not understanding the seriousness of the questions. CBSE question back 2021, they have released these type of questions. So if the people are not going to study, means it is going to be your loss. Shivaranjani, what is the next examination in your school? See, no answer is coming from you people. It's very annoying. Shivasan, good evening, Vidya. What is the next exam? I'm asking from all people, but these people are not having mouths to speak. Come on, go for this question. Case study first. Increasing continuous and differentiable function in open interval. Strictly increasing, decreasing. These type of questions already coming for board examination. So I'm expecting you people to write and solve the question. So everybody is giving one reason behind not attending the classes today. Super, nice, very good. Come on, start solving this question, beta. Go for this question. What is the question is? Ki f of x is continuous in closed interval this much and differentiable in open interval then. So f is strictly increasing in closed interval in this or strictly decreasing in this or is this constant function in this, and based on above information solve the following questions. Which one is going to be the correct answer? This is exactly the given question. Mehan, good evening. These are the given questions, and based on this question, you have to solve the given questions. Please start. Come on, go for it. The function f of x is cos x is increasing in which interval? This is a very simple question. Please kindly try and solve this question. These are the informations given. What is the information in this case study? They have already given you the information. What is the information given? That f of x is continuous in closed interval and differentiable. This is the definition of function itself. That they will be continuous in closed interval and differentiable in open interval. Now second part is f of x is strictly increasing when this part is greater than 0, strictly decreasing when this part is less than 0. This is the second information we know according to the definition. Now f of f is a constant function. If f dash x is equal to 0, that part is also one of the things. So these are again according to the definition. Now what question they are asking here is, this is the simple part what they are exactly expecting is, they are telling that f of x is equal to cos x. F of x is equal to actually cos x. So when f of x is coming as equal to cos x, what they are telling that which step it is exactly going to be increasing, decreasing, in which interval it is strictly increasing. So first what we are going to do, we will differentiate f of x. Okay. So this part will become minus sin x. Correct? So once you are writing minus sin x, so that means what? For increasing, f dash x should be greater than 0. For increasing function, f dash x should be greater than 0. So here, minus sin x is greater than 0. That means sin x is coming less than 0. So here sin x part is coming less than 0. So it is exactly when sin x will be less than 0, we need to check. So when sin x will be less than 0, we'll see this part it is coming. Now look here, this is 0, pi, 2 pi, and here pi to 2 pi, first interval is given, 0 to pi, second interval is given, pi by 2, this is pi by 2, this is pi by 2, and this is pi, and this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Now we will see all the intervals between pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi, okay, then 0 to pi, 0 to pi, then pi by 2, 2 pi, then 0 to 2 pi. So here in which interval it is going to be strictly increasing? Come on, say the answer. In which interval you people are feeling that it is strictly increasing? Strictly increasing. Cos x will be increasing. This is for sin x. But when somebody will be talking about cos x, strictly increasing. This is 0. This is pi by 2. And this is pi by 2 to pi. This will become pi. And this is pi to, this part will come 3 pi by 2. And this part will become 2 pi. This is for sine graph and this is for cos graph. So whenever you are drawing for cos graph, you will see one thing. See, this is less than 0. Sin x is less than 0. So now you have to check where and all sin x is less than 0. Here sin x is greater than 0, greater than 0. But this level sin x is less than 0. So if this graph you are saying after differentiation, then they are indicating go for sin less than 0. So here in this part between pi to 2 pi, sin is less than 0. And between pi to 2 pi, you check here pi by 2, this pi to 2 pi, cos x is increasing. So definitely answer will be pi into pi. After differentiation, if you are telling Tanis, I am teaching very important thing. I am teaching case studies. What questions you have given, based on that only I am teaching. Most of the students now seriously feeling like kicking them now. It is very bad. Continuously, I am keeping class and I am waiting for the students. This is a very important part. F of x is equal to cos x, and f of x is equal to cos x will be strictly increasing in which interval? Then what I taught here is, look here, what I taught here is ki f of x is equal to cos x. So when we differentiate f dash x, it will become minus sin x. For increasing, f dash x should be greater than 0. So minus sin x is greater than 0. So sin x will become less than 0. So once sin x is coming as less than 0, sin x is coming as less than 0, that means now we are going to check sine interval, where and all sine is less than 0. This is the graph of sine, and sine is less than 0 between this part is coming as pi by 2. From pi to 2 pi, it is less than 0. Okay, so pi to 2 pi sine is less than 0. And when sine will be less than 0, cos will be increasing. Understood? So here cos will be increasing. See the cos graph now, where the cos is increasing. This is pi by 2, this is pi. After reaching pi, you will be noticing one thing from here, pi to 2 pi, cos is increasing. So sine graph and cos graph both are indicating that cos is increasing at that interval. If you are knowing this part means you will be able to solve, otherwise you will be killing. I hope everybody please say who and all are present in the group is first. Who and all are present in the class? Solve this question, everyone. F of x is equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing in. Which value it is strictly increasing in? You people are just saying hi to me and then you are just going and doing your work. Okay, Watson. What is the correct answer here? It is strictly increasing. So first f dash x, we'll check this part. What is the limit? It is strictly increasing. First to f of x is equal to 3x plus 17 given to you. Then f dash x is equal to 3 coming. So f dash x is equal to 0. What we are going to get? 3 is coming. Direct it is coming as 3. So Mehan, 3 people are present here. So in which value it is strictly increasing? R plus positive values it is strictly increasing, or C it is strictly increasing. For all positive values it is strictly increasing. Come on, check this one out. Seriously. Watson has told answer as B. Let's check this one out. Come on. I can see Watson present. It's strictly increasing in what interval? Say the answer only one person has given. After differentiation, it is greater than 0. So since it is coming greater than 0, what will be the correct answer? It will be set of real numbers. Watson, check this one out. What you are telling, this is exactly one thing. You please understand here, B part will not be coming as answer. Why B part is not coming as answer? Okay. So what is the correct answer? Come on, tell me. Still, I have given you a clue. Beta, here after differentiating now, this part is exactly constant number coming and this is greater than 0. So what is exactly written here? So the correct option will be what, since the function will be increasing for any real number. What can be the correct answer? Can you tell me? Real values. Already I taught in class. What is the correct answer? The correct answer here will be C. Because see, look here, it you will put any value now, it will always give you a positive value. So how much negative values you will put, it will always go steady increasing pattern because it is strictly coming here. Don't think it is minimum. So here this part will be exactly representing one thing to you. That is, it will be increasing for all real numbers. You put x equal to minus 2. The moment we are putting x equal to minus 2, what it will become? 3 into minus 2 plus 17 become. So minus 6 plus 17. So it will come as 11. So one 11 is coming now. So 11 is exactly, now you put x is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus 17. So it is coming 6 plus 17. So it is coming as 20, 6 is 12, 130, 23. So definitely it is exactly increasing for all real numbers. So strictly increasing it will come in for all real numbers. So the correct answer is not B. The correct answer will be C. You need to be very careful when you are solving this type of questions. Next question, the function f of x is strictly increasing in this, strictly decreasing in this interval, strictly increasing in this, none of this. Please kindly solve these type questions. See, I really wish you people to solve this type of questions, otherwise problem will come. So please kindly try solving these questions. I plan to teach another parts also, but not to be done. You people are not coming regularly, not studying regularly. Come on, go for it. Increasing and decreasing function, try. What is the answer? Anybody please tell? I'm seriously going to cancel the class now because it is irritating me a lot now. Waiting for a long time and you people are not at all interested. Check this question very nicely. The function f of x is equal to sin x is strictly increasing in closed interval, strictly decreasing. What is that? First, to differentiate it. After differentiating, you will come to know that in which interval it is increasing and in which interval it is decreasing. So last part, how we have solved for sine, cos, we are going to solve it for sine. So f of x is equal to sin x. So when you are writing f of x is equal to sin x, now you differentiate it. It will become f dash x is equal to cos x. Okay. So now f dash x is equal to 0. So that means when it will be f dash x is equal to 0 for increasing function, it will be, so cos x is greater than 0 for this part. So cos x is equal to 0, greater part, increasing section. In which interval it is going to be increasing? Come on, at least try once and see in which function it is going to be increasing. Open interval, closed interval, in which part it is going to be increasing? Strictly increasing. Because a strict inequality will be there. Okay, 90 degree must not be content here. We know that cos x means here 0 to 90, correct? So here cos x would be greater than 0. So 90 to pi it will be greater than 0. Which part it is exactly going to reflexive of sin x? So sin x where it is going to be increasing. So f dash x should be greater than 0. So which interval we are going to take? Very good, Mehan. Absolutely correct. See, first interval 90 should not be included. Okay, so here now one thing is there, one little mistake is there. I'm just rectifying the mistake because at the time when I'm writing, I'm just checking one mistake is there. This will be open interval only. Okay, because f dash x is direct. When you are writing, here one thing is written f dash x for increasing function, f dash x is greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0. Understood. So here f dash x is greater than the strictly inequality. Strict inequality we are going to check. So answer is coming between 0 to pi by 2. Open interval 0 to pi by 2. The answer is exactly coming. I hope you might have understood this one. Now we will go for the next question. The function f of x is equal to, now check for this one, the function f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to e to the power 2x is strictly increasing on. Come on, try this question. The function f of x is equal to e to the power 2x. Mehan, what happened? Answer will be there, but it will be open interval bit, a closed interval will not be there. In that diagram, it was wrong, so I opened it. F plus x is strictly greater than 0, so I wrote. Okay, now come on, go for this question. What is the question given here is, check here, the function f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to e to the power 2x is strictly increasing. Is it strictly increasing? Come on, check this one out. F of x is equal to e to the power 2x is strictly increasing for positive integers, for positive real numbers, for all real numbers, only for negative real numbers. How we are going to solve it? First, we are going to differentiate it. We will make it equal to 0, but it is not going to. So every interval we need to check where and all it is going to be increasing. Check this one out. As per my consent, already we have studied about this question already one time. Come on, try this one out. Yeah, at least something you say when you will be differentiating it. Seriously, I am getting All idiots with me only. After differentiation, it will become what? 2e to the power 2x. Okay. Now for increasing function, f dash x should be greater than 0. So 2e to the power 2x should be greater than 0. So when you will be writing all negative values, so from negative to positive, it will keep on increasing. So definitely it will be defined for all real numbers. Why plus or positive integers only? It will be defined for all real numbers. It will come like this e to the power 2x. It will jump like this. So it will be defined for all positive numbers. Seriously, before examination, you people are thinking that maths is very easy. I'm seriously going to kill you all. Like this, if you people are going to study. Taking maths so easy. One by one, I'll take everybody from out from group. I don't want these type of stupid students. Those who are not understanding the value of the class. See, understand this part. According to increasing and decreasing function, first you need to differentiate it. After differentiating, you need to understand that for increasing function, f dash x should be greater than 0. So whatever function part after differentiation is there, it should be greater than 0 in all the cases. Understood? So when you are writing, this is the graph of f of x. So when you are writing f of x is equal to, when you are writing f of x is equal to e to the power 2x, so f dash x is this, it will become 2e to the power 2x. Understood? So when function will be greater, at that particular moment, so increasing function is strictly increasing means it should be greater than 0. So e to the power 2x will have to be strictly greater than 0. So it will be strictly greater than 0 in which interval? When you are talking about only positive interval, see only positive interval is a limited zone. Only positive real number is a limited zone. The biggest field is the real number. All these three will go inside C. All A, B, and D will go inside C because real number is a bigger field. And inside real number, if you will take x as minus 3, then e to the power, it will become 2 into minus 3. It will become e to the power minus 6. So it will become 1 by e to the power 6. It will be positive only. But if you write x is equal to 3, so it will become e to the power 2 into 3, e to the power 6. So this will be greater. So whatever value in negative you will keep, all the negative values will start giving you an ascending graph, non-ending ascending graph. Understood or not? So it will be defined from negative real number to positive real number. I hope you might have understood this one. Now you understood it is exactly coming in increasing part. I hope you might have understood this part. We are going to go to the next question. Come on, go for it. The function f of x is equal to, these are very, very typical questions. Okay. Still you can't understand? Understood. So now none of this will be the answer. The function log x, f of log x will be there. What answer we are going to discuss? So now look here. F of x is equal to log sin x is there. What should be done for this part? Come on, go for it. At least this question you solve. Differentiation is the most important thing here, yaar. Waste, I kept all waste students. Before exam, you people are showing your real color. Not interested to study. My all efforts you people are wasting on it. Try this question. For this also, you need to check one time how you are going to do. F of x is equal to log sin x is written. F of x is equal to log sin x is written. When you will differentiate it, what you are going to get? F dash x is equal to differentiation of log sin x. Now differentiation of sin x into differentiation of sin x by dx. So it will become log will become 1 by sin x and sin x will become cos x. So it will become cot x. At least differentiation you people are doing or not. Mehan is telling option is D. Got it? So cortex is there. So when cortex part will be there. So once you have written cortex, now you need to check where cortex because they're asking it's strictly increasing. So cortex graph will be where it is strictly increasing. Between 0 to pi by 2 because this is tan, sorry. This is tan, cortex is different. Okay, now tell me what is the correct answer here. Again, you are doing the same mistake, Mehan. You need to check cortex should be greater than 0. Understood. Strictly increasing or decreasing. Shivatsan is telling option 0 to pi by 2. Very good, nice try. Very good. The correct answer is first quadrant only. I was expecting this answer only. So when you will be writing from 0 to pi by 2, cortex is positive here. Rest of this values they are negative. So 100% the correct answer is coming in the first quadrant and that is between 0 to pi by 2. So between 0 to pi by 2, cortex is coming as positive. So the correct answer is first quadrant. I hope you might have understood this one. We'll go for next question. Come on, go for this part. Case study 2, an architecture design an auditorium for a school for its cultural activities. The floor of the auditorium is rectangular in shape and has a fixed perimeter P. Okay, so the floor is rectangular in shape and it is having a fixed perimeter. Based on the above information, solve the questions. If x and y represent the length and width of rectangle region, then the relation between the variable is length and breadth. So definitely when we will be talking about length and breadth, solve this question. The first part what answer is exactly going to come? So auditorium part beta. So this auditorium is in the shape of rectangle. This auditorium is in the shape of rectangle is in the shape of rectangle. This is x and this is y. Okay. So since it is in the shape of rectangle, this, so what is perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2x plus 1. Got it? This part is done. Directly we can write. So here perimeter. So this is the correct relation. Perimeter. The entire auditorium width can be judged with the help. That is what if x and y represent the length and width of rectangular region, the relationship between the variables. How we can generate correct relationship? This is not the correct relationship. This is not the correct relationship. This is not that. Perimeter is sum of two sides will be there. That is 2l 2x 2 into length plus width. This part is the correct answer. Now second part, the question was determine the area of the rectangular region as a function x can be expressed as. So how you are going to express the function? See, look here. First, the perimeter is exactly written as 2x plus 1. Understood? So perimeter will be equal to 2x plus 2y. So here area represented in terms of x they are telling. So these are the three parts where area is represented in x. So let's check which one is the correct answer. So here p minus 2x by 2 is equal to y. And we know that area is equal to x into y. So area is equal to x into p minus 2x by 2. So it will become px by 2 minus 2x square by 2. Cancel. So we can say that it is written as px, correct, px minus 2x square by 2. Here if x will go inside, it will become, x will go inside, it will become px minus 2x square by 2 is equal to area. Px minus 2x square by 2 is equal to area. Option is coming as C. This is the most important part, take questions you need to understand. This is the second part of the question we have done. Now the third part of the question is, school manager is interested in maximizing the area of floor. For this to happen, find the value of x. So definitely when they are maximizing the area, in case they are maximizing the area, what they are going to do? So for maximization of the area, right now just what equation we got? We got area equation as a is equal to px minus 2x square by 2. Okay, so they are telling that the school manager is interested in maximizing the area of the floor A for this to happen. The value of x will be what? So here, when you differentiate it dA by dx with respect to x only, we are going to check. So once you are differentiating it, what will exactly going to be happen? dA by dx first you will do. So here it will become, it will get p by 2 minus 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will become 2x. So dA by dx will become 2x. So once the dA by dx, so differentiation of area part will become 0. So p by 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. So p by 2 is equal to 2x. It will shift. So p is equal to 4x. So x is equal to p by 2. P by 2. X is equal to p by 4. The correct answer x value is coming as p by 4. X is exactly coming as p by 4. This is what they asked. X is coming as p by 4. Now they are asking maximum area of the floor. Now one more time we are going to differentiate it because maximum area of the floor means we have to find length and width both. So again we have to differentiate this one. So it will become d2a by dx square is equal to minus 2, which is exactly less than 0. So it will attain maximum value when x will be equal to p by 4. So when x will be equal to p by 4, what will be the area attended? Yesterday only we solved this question. When it will be the maximum area attended? Yesterday online class we have done this question. So now area x will be equal to p by 4k. Now after solving d2a by dx square is coming as minus 2, which is less than 0. So maximum value we are getting at x is equal to pi p by 4. Now we have to do only one work. We will be substituting this value in any one of the parts. So perimeter is equal to 2x plus y. So perimeter is equal to 2. It will become p by 4 plus y. Okay. So here it will come as p is equal to p by 2 plus 2y. So p minus p by 2 is equal to 2y. So it will become p by 2 is equal to 2y. So p by 4 is equal to y. So maximum area will come when x will be equal to p by 4 and y will be equal to p by 2. Rectangle will act as a square, then only maximum area will be there. So x into y, area will be x into y, that is p by 4 into p by 4. It will come p by 16. P square by 16. The value very middle part. Check. P square by 16. Here it should be p square in all part. So it will become p square by 16. The maximum we will be attending at p square by 16. So maximum area will come. So when what will be the value of x? P by 4 will be there, then only maximum area will be coming. Sorry, area they are not asking, the value of y, sorry, they are not asking area. So y value is also coming p by 4, then only maximum area is coming. Okay. Okay, I'm keeping it till here. Thank you for joining the sessions. I thought today I'm going to teach at least 2 hours, but you people are not interested to study, so it's waste of time. Bye everyone.